I've tested almost over 30 AI tools that run my agency. And the truth is, I've deleted most of them. But here are the 8 that have survived and how they exactly help me save up to 10 plus hours every single week and be more efficient in my business. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Adam Saltarelli and I'm the owner and founder of saltarelliwebstudio. I build and design AI systems for businesses looking to implement AI to their business, and these are the exact tools I use to do so. So to jump into our first tool, that is going to be Whisper Flow is a voice dictation tool like no other. I can literally whisper into the phone, and every single time it makes a typo, it learns and improves itself. And for me, this shows up in school, this shows up for client text, it shows up for web searching, anything. The amount of time I spent actually typing things out, whereas now I can just talk to my phone, the time saving is huge. And the best part is that Whisper Flow has a 2-week free trial, so if you don't like it after then, you can just get your money back. Next one on the list, and you guys hear me rant about this one all the time, and that is Granola. It is my second brain and ultimate note taker. Anytime I'm on a call, I'm on a meeting, or I'm just in person and I want to write something down, I just whip out my phone and let Granola start doing its thing. At the end of the conversation, I just hit end and it prints me out with that transcript a beautiful set of bullet points and in an action list. So the flow is it listens to what you put into it and then gives you an output and action items on exactly what you need to do next to make the most of that information. So stop scribbling notes down when talking to your clients or just people in person. Let the note taker do it for you. Tool number 3 is going to be Claude Code, and Claude is a pillar to my business. Claude is how I vibe code voice agents, websites, any automation. It just does it. Claude Code runs directly in my terminal and it interacts with my computer. It can search things up online, it can run code, it can bash commands, it does it all. I've even gone as far to go build my entire CRM with Claude Code. Every day Anthropic tries to make it a little bit more user-friendly and they just nail it. Claude Code, in my opinion, is the most powerful tool in the AI industry and you should be a part of it. Tool number 4 is going to be Manus, and this is my autonomous agent. Now, what does that mean? An autonomous agent means an agent that just does things without you having to ask. So, for example, I use Manus to help scrape leads for me every single day that I can then go and cold call. Many months ago, I asked my Manus agent to go scrape a bunch of leads in this niche and this business size and having this problem. For the last several months, it's gone online every single day and given me a fresh batch of leads that I can just get ready to cold call and take notes on. And don't let your creativity stop you there, because there's so much more Manus can do. Manus is absolutely fabulous at generating images, websites, apps, and other product mockups in minutes. Manus is awesome because at the start of the day I can give it a task, and then at the end of the day I can come back. It'll be there done for me and ready to act on. Tool number 5 is going to be Opus Clip, and this is how you should start editing your content. With Opus Clip, here's the workflow. You're going to record your content, and then you're going to take that long clip and plug it in Opus. From there, it's going to make dozens of high-quality, short-form pieces of content that you can go blast out on all your social medias. So when you hear people in the social media industry telling you, post 5 to 10 videos a day, this is how you do it. So if you're a solo entrepreneur and you're trying to post daily on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, take your long form videos and plug them directly into Opus Clip. This is how I do it, and this is how you should try it out too. Tool number 6 is going to be 11 Labs, and this is exactly how I build voice agents. 11 Labs has been around for a few years now, and they've been known for their incredible realistic AI voices. And with that incredible tool in their hand, they decided to build a voice agent service. You can go in, build out a system prompt, connect back functions, and make it so you can have a realistic voice agent answering your phone after leads call. No more missing your phone. Design and build realistic voice agents with 11 Labs. Tool number 7 is going to be Gamma, and if you're trying to build realistic presentations, this is your go-to. Picture this, you're 5 minutes out from a client meeting. You have nothing prepared and you need to whip up a beautiful slideshow. Gamma is your go-to tool. And within minutes, you have a beautiful set of slide decks ready to act on. Stop mainly designing your presentations with Figma or Canva. Start using Gamma. The last tool on the list, and this one's for research, is Notebook LM. Notebook LM is powered by Google, and this is my go-to for researching and learning. Now you might be wondering, why is it the best for researching? Well, you can take any source of content, so a YouTube video, a PDF, a book, an email, whatever you need to understand and digest better, you can plug it in Notebook LM and it will let you format that content into any education form that suits you best. Now, what does that mean? I take a really long but powerful YouTube video, I plug that into Notebook LM, and I can have it spit out an interactable podcast that I can talk to the AIs with. Notebook LM is absolutely free, and if you're trying to learn anything, at least give it a shot. So those are the 8 free tools inside the AI Operator Kit. But here's the thing before you leave. Most people watch these videos and then just scroll on, but that's exactly why you're not learning AI. So once again, this is not a list of tools, it is a system, and you need to treat it that way. Now, if you want to see me use these tools live, I'm hosting a free webinar on May 7th at 12 p.m. and I'll be going through a bunch of systems that I've implemented into real businesses to save them time and money. All the tools I discussed today, I use to help bring this together, and I'll also be available for any Q&A, so you can ask me questions directly on what you don't understand. Links to all that is going to be in the description, and if you want to sign up, just go to my website at saltarelliwebstudio.ca, and I look forward to seeing you. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, drop a sub down below, and I'll see you in the next one.